Welcome back to my class. This is Sociology MCQ question UGC NET 2017. This is part 4. Let's start the question answer session. According to the Max Weber, social science must have value bias, value judgment, value reference, relevance, and value freedom. So the answer will be value relevance. So what is value relevance? वैल्यू रिलेवेंस जो है वो है इट्स बीइंग डिफाइंड एज अ एबिलिटी टू इंफॉर्मेशन क्लोज्ड द financial statements to the capture and summarized of the fair value के लिए ये यूज होता है in maid's work the attitude of the entire community or in game the attitude of the entire term is known as the generalized other. Which among the following is not basis principle of the Bloom's theory of symbolic interactionism? So the answer will be number 4. People are not able to make any modification and changes during the interactions. ये कभी भी नहीं होता कि interactions के टाइम में people change करना modification करना stop कर देते हैं. So this answer will be the correct answer. Who among the following gave the concepts of the residues and derivatives in his theory? That is the Will Pareto. V. Pareto. Number 4. So Vilfredo Pareto was the Italian civil engineer, sociologist, economist, political scientist. He made the several important contributions to the economics, particularly in the study of the income and distribution and is an analysis of individuals. According to the Marx, the worker in the capitalist society are alienated from there. The answer will be number 4, A, B, C, D. So here number A is productive activity, B is fellow workers, C is product, D is own space being. So this is the 4 option. According to the whom social structure may be the translated empirically into the patterns of the repetitive micro interaction. The answer will be R. Collins. R. Collins कौन है? R. Collins is an American sociologist who has been influenced in the both as teaching and writing. He has taught in many notable universities around the world. So his work is the sociological tradition. Durkheim distinguished the 3 broad type of groups in the conflict theory. They are quasi, interest, and conflict. So Durkheim believed that there is the basic class of the class conflict was division in the 3 groups. The main difference between the quasi group and interest group are that in the groups is due to the organized have the says of the belonging to the identified. Which among the following is not basis principle of the Bloom's theory of symbolic interactionism? So the answer will be number 4. People are not able to make any modification and changes during the interactions. ये कभी भी नहीं होता कि interactions के time में people change करना modification करना stop कर देते हैं. So this answer who has argued to the methodological social fact of the trade like things? That is Emile Durkheim. So what does the objectivity mean the social research? Objectivity mean the social research. इनमें से कौन सा statement सही होगा? That is the A, C and D सही होगा. The option will be the 4. That is A is accounts to the external world, C is represent the world as it exists, and D is independent of our conceptions. So thank you so much. That's all for now. Please keep watching and please subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.